Edusoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to write the word robot using LED in Tinkercad. Step 1. From the component panel, select an LED and place it on the workplane. Repeat this process to create the word. Step 2. Using wires, connect the cathode of the LED to the cathode of another LED. Repeat this process for all the LED present in the circuit. Step 3. Using wires, connect the anode of the LED to the anode of another LED. Repeat this process for all the LED present in the circuit. Step 4. Place a battery on the workplane. Attach a resistor between the anode of any LED and the positive terminal of the battery. Connect the cathode to the negative terminal of the battery. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action. Just like this, can you write your name with the help of LED?